Welcome to 1 million sub. If you like or are interested in video editing, we have listed 20 YouTube channels that are the best under 1 million subscribers for video editing. These channels have tutorials, tricks, and tips for the most commonly used video editing software, such as Premiere Pro, CapCut, and DaVinci-Resolve. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's check out these YouTube channels. Starting at number 15, Video Revealed. Channel has over 120,000 subscribers and over 560 videos. Number 14, Vince Oprah. Channel has over 150,000 subscribers and over 300 videos. Number 13, Luca B. Channel has over 130,000 subscribers and over 340 videos. Number 12, Javier Mercedes. Channel has over 220,000 subscribers and over 430 videos. Number 11, Olufemi. Channel has over 500,000 subscribers and over 580 videos. Number 10, Casey Farris. Channel has over 360,000 subscribers and over 530 videos. Number 9, Joris Hermans. Channel has over 140,000 subscribers and over 290 videos. Number 8, Colin Michael. Channel has over 190,000 subscribers and over 290 videos. Number 7, Premier Gal. Channel has over 470,000 subscribers and over 450 videos. Number 6, Premiere Basics. Channel has over 350,000 subscribers and over 230 videos. Number 5, Kyla Holland. Channel has over 250,000 subscribers and over 290 videos. Number 4, Adobe Video and Motion. Channel has over 200,000 subscribers and over 780 videos. Number 3, Wondershare Filmora Video Editor. Channel has over 800,000 subscribers and over 870 videos. Number 2, Adobe in a Minute. Channel has over 350,000 subscribers and over 620 videos. Before we continue, here are a couple of channels worth mentioning. Finza. Hillier Smith. Color Grading Central. VSDC Free Video Editor. Power Director University. Number 1, StoryScience. Channel has over 620,000 subscribers and over 80 videos.
1 million sub. We'll help you find your new favorite content creators. Here are some of the most popular YouTube categories. Thanks for tuning in.